everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, if only I would have recorded an intro when I originally filmed, I wouldn't even be sitting here right now, but I forgot to do that. So mini intro because you guys read the title. It's exactly what's about to happen. I'm about to organize both of my bathroom closets. So if you want to see how that turned out, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the before of this closet. It looks literally ridiculous and I'm tired of looking at it like this because I go in this closet a lot because it has all my like brushes and combs, extra toiletries, sheets, bags and wigs and hats and all up there. So I go in here a lot and I'm definitely tired of looking at it like this. So we're about to head to IKEA to get some organization stuff. So let's go. So I'm at IKEA. I saw these online. IKEA has really good minimal storage containers and these are actually new. However you pronounce that, that's what they are. So I'm gonna get 10 of these and hopefully that's the amount that I need. Okay, back from IKEA. I just brought all of these upstairs. Actually, now that I'm back home, I'm seeing that I probably could have just gotten 8, like 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah. Because I think I'm gonna keep this container up here. I've had this for years and tell me why I still have the tag on it. That doesn't make any sense. But I'm probably going to organize that and move my hats into my bedroom as opposed to in here, and then just have this container for my wigs that I have. I think I'm gonna start with the easiest shelf first, which is this one, and then work my way to the other shelves. So let's get started. And I need to find something to hold this door open because I guess someone used WD-40 or cooking spray or whatever on this door and now it doesn't freaking stay open, which drives me insane. Let me put this garbage can right here. So I guess step 1 would be just take everything out. Oh my God, they don't fit. What the heck? I thought I measured this. How tall is this then? I measured that right. What is this? Can I get the big versions? Okay, I get on my own nerves sometimes. I bought the wrong size. I needed this style, but I needed in the 9-inch tall as opposed to 13-inch. I thought it was just one size in these. I didn't know there were multiple sizes. So now I gotta go back tomorrow and get the correct size. That's so annoying. I thought I was gonna finish this tonight or at least get very far. All right, you guys, we are back from IKEA and I got the correct size. And so we're about to open all these up. I actually got 13 this time. I hope that I counted correctly because I'm doing this closet as well as my closet, the one in my bathroom. But yeah, so let's get started with organizing and going through this drawer. I want to do it as I go as opposed to taking everything out and then doing it. And I don't know if I said this, but it shouldn't be really that hard to go through because I went through most of this stuff and I was moving. I was getting rid of a lot of stuff. So this shouldn't be that hard. I'm probably gonna keep most things. Oh, you know what? Let me make sure that it fits. We know what happened last time. Perfect. I actually probably could do three containers. Oh, you guys can't see that. Okay. But I probably would do it this way, like horizontal as opposed to vertical in here. Oh, it's gonna look so good once I'm done. I'm happy. Oh my my goodness, that makes me so happy. Okay, so these two things were actually on this shelf and they need to go in this container because this is all of my like brush cleaning stuff for makeup brushes. Now we're gonna work on this drawer or shelf. Why do I keep calling it drawer? This shelf is gonna probably be very easy because they're already in containers. So I'm just going to pretty much organize these, make sure everything in here I actually need, and then just transfer it into another container for the aesthetics. And then this right here is just all of my combs and brushes that I have, which I don't know why I have so many, but all of them, I used them for something. I've had probably majority of those for years. I'm so happy right now. Okay, now we gotta take everything out of this one. This one is kind of one that I feel like it's gonna be the hardest because this is probably like the most miscellaneous. My travel stuff, which by the time I travel again, all this stuff is probably gonna be expired. And this one too has travel stuff in it. And then you saw I had braiding hair in there. Like, why do I have 2 packs of Expressions hair? What was I doing with this? And I got some sheets, some new sheets from Cozy Earth. This is my one set of guest styles that I have. Almost like, why do you only have 1 set? You should at least have 2. I ain't got room for 2 guests. I got room for 1 guest. I'm kidding. I can accommodate many people. This is the last box I needed to unbox. I just had all my rollers, perm rods. Okay, you guys, we are looking really good. I ended up not being able to put all the bags that were on that side in there just because it didn't fit in that container, but I just put them with the rest of my bags in the other room. The sheets in there, everything fit in that one except the blanket, so I just put the blanket in my room for now because I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with it. So now we're going to tackle the top shelf that I'm thinking I'm just going to use this, put these wigs that you guys can't even see because it's dark back there, but I have like maybe 4 or 5 wigs over there that I'm gonna put in here. This hair right here, I'll put in that container. I got enough hair to do my hair. I'm finding more and more hair. 5 packs. And then I have this Marley braid hair. How many of those do I have? I have 2 of those, but this looks like maybe half of one. I have 5 packs of hair. I need to get my hair done. Finally take this tag off. I feel like I've had this probably over 6 years to still have this. It's ridiculous. So I know you guys are ready to see the before and after. Honestly, this video is a mess because I didn't even mention, okay, here's the before and here's the after. So we're gonna do it now. Here's the before of how disastrous this closet was. I knew where everything was in this closet, but it was not cute. So I definitely had to change it up. You've seen the before. And now let's flip to the after. So much better. Everything has a place, everything is labeled. It just looks cleaner, it is cleaner, and I should have done this from the start when I originally moved here. So now we're gonna move into the second closet, which I filmed this like 2 months after I filmed the first portion of this video. So yeah, let's get started with that. So this video, to you guys, this video is probably perfect. But for me, the last, well, not perfect, but you know what I mean. The last clips of this video was like a month or a month and a half ago. Just now, I got my tripod and everything. I'm just now going to be doing the second closet. So yeah, let's get started with that. I'm probably not gonna talk through it because it's the same exact process as the other closets. I'm just doing it for the one that really no one sees as often because it's the one. This is bad. So this is before. Whoa. Oh, and then there's trash. Oh, this is terrible. You know how stuff like looks bad and then when you put it on camera, it looks worse? The camera adds 10 pounds. The camera adds 10 pounds of mess. Anyway, so let's get started with this. Baby wipes. See, that kind of stuff. I don't even know what I got. I needed those the other day.
The baddies, was their edges laid? So you can't be a baddie unless your edges are laid? That's rude.
Love this stuff. Frank Body Coffee Scrub. Love it. Oh, I was looking for this too. I really need like an inventory system. Hand sanitizer 4 days. So, fun fact about me, I absolutely love perfume. Nothing out of the ordinary of like a regular person. I guess a small difference is that I buy perfume and don't really wear them. So that's a bit of a problem. I probably put on perfume once a week, if that. Oh, I remember when I bought this. I wore it like every day. This is LASHLABEL. I think that's how you say it. Oh, I'm putting it on right now. Oh, and this Midnight, I think it's Fleur. Midnight Flare from Nest Fragrances. Oh my goodness, I'm about to fall back in love with this stuff. Then there's nail polish in here too. If you would have asked me if there was nail polish in here, I would have flat out said no. That's crazy. I don't remember having nail polish in here. Now that I'm gonna be able to like see them in here, I just might use them more than what I was doing before. So my neighbors underneath me cooked something that smells like poop, if I'm being honest. It started downstairs by my door. If you guys see my apartment tour, you know what I'm talking about. And it's seeping its way up because, you know, smells rise. And now I'm smelling it in my bathroom, which is at the far end of my apartment. I don't know what they cooked, but they don't need to cook there no more. So this is honestly the container that I was thinking I might have to split up into 2, but we'll see. That went much better than expected. So I guess I didn't need multiple ones of that. That's good. Let's take the trash out because that's gross. And much like the first portion, I did not really film an outro for the last version. I don't know what I was doing in this video, to be quite honest. I guess because it was so spread apart on me filming it, I was like mind jumbled on what I needed to do, and no outros happened. No intros, no outros. Anyway, we're looking at the before and how it was a mess. I honestly think this one was worse. So we gotta look at the before, and now let's turn to the after. Like I said, for the first closet, literally so much better. It looks amazing. Like now I can just leave the door open to this closet and not feel like don't nobody go in there. No one go in there, no one look. And I'm so happy that I did this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if this kind of inspired you to organize and clean some areas that you've been putting off, because Trust me, I've been putting this off for a long time. Make sure that you subscribe before you leave. I would love to have you be a part of this little family we have over here. And I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.